Hey guys, it's your favorite girl ZOESHAAA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title you can obviously tell what we are getting ready for today, but get ready with me for a concert. So yeah, I don't have time because it's a Thursday and the concert is at 8. Well, the concert starts at 8 and it is now 6:17 and I gotta leave here by 7:30 to get to where I need to go. So this is gonna be a very fast get ready with me, but baby, get ready with me. Gonna start with our face. Oh, let me tell you guys that we're gonna go see Rod Wave. Joel's a huge fan. So that's who we're gonna go see, and Tusi's also supposed to be here. Somebody named Eomatic and Ari Lennox. Ari Lennox is here, so I'm super excited to see her because I don't listen to Rod Wave, I don't listen to Tusi, and Eomatic who? I don't know. So yeah, but as I said, get ready with me to go to a concert. I'm excited though. I can't tell you the last time. It's gonna be at Scotiabank Arena. For those of you who live in Toronto, you probably know Scotiabank Arena. Can't tell you the last time that I've been to Scotiabank Arena. I feel like the last time I would have been to Scotiabank Arena was probably when I was in school, like elementary, and we went on a field trip or something, because I don't go to those places. There's no need for me to go to those places. So yeah, super excited. But yeah, Rod Wave, apart from me really not knowing too much of his music, from what I've heard, a lot of it sounds pretty sad, but he's a good artist. So I'm actually kind of excited to see him perform live. I'm excited to see anything live. Like I prefer live, you know? So I'm excited to see that. But almost 1 hour. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but we're definitely gonna try. I have a new brow pencil. Where are you? I'm not at this. Yeah, idiot. May I look at something and something right to the man. Let's try to do these eyebrows. Oh. Let's try to do these eyebrows. Okay, so guys, lately, I don't know what's been happening, but like I've really been into, well, I told myself this year I was gonna make like my skin and taking care of like my skin and stuff like that like a priority, and I have been doing that. So like I've just been looking into like different skin products. Like I don't know much about like serums, I don't know much about like those things, like when to use them exactly, how to use them exactly. Like I'm just starting to deal with like toners and stuff like that. Let me show you. So for my birthday from Sephora I got the Glow Recipe. What is this? The Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner, and then the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Been using these religiously. And then the other day I came upon this that I got from Tarte, like back in the day when I used to be like a Ipsy subscriber. You guys remember when I used to do the Ipsy reviews? So this is a maracuja oil. I've been using that. And then I don't know where this came from, but I found it. These this vitamin C serum brightening drops. I've been using this like every night before I go to my bed, like it's done. So leave in the comments for me some like facial stuff that like I should get into, or things that like I should things that I should have and use like for my face, like, because seriously I'm thinking about it. Like I'm almost gonna be 40. I know I'm only 33, but I'm almost gonna be 40, so I need, as much as my skin is what it is, and I've never really dealt with like acne or scarring of any kind or anything like that. Like, I still want to preserve my youthfulness as much as I possibly can. So yeah, comment down below, let me know, especially like my girlies that are like in cold countries, because you guys know like the winter definitely takes a toll on our skin. And yeah, so I need y'all help, okay? So help a sister out if you can. And also recommend me some like, actually no, I'm not ready for that yet. I was gonna say recommend some like makeup stuff, but no, I just want like skin products. Yeah, I want some skin products to take care of my skin, my lips. I've noticed in like the last couple of years, like I've been having like really dry lips. Like y'all, that Beauty Supply lip gloss, like that cannot work for me. Like if I wear that, it will apply on smooth for one day, and then after that sorry, I had to concentrate. And then after that, my lips are chapped. Like I'm peeling them every single day. Kind of messed it up, but we gonna go small tonight. I don't really have huge eyebrows anyways, so it is what it is. All right, that's gonna have to do for now. What was I gonna say in regards to makeup though, you guys? Like I have been trying to you know, like get more into like my makeup and stuff like that, like buying more like products. Like yeah, I think like I told you guys, like from Mexico, like I went and I got like a bronzer and all of them stuff, and it's all like little by little. Yeah, so I'm becoming a girl. I'm becoming a girl. I'm definitely becoming a girl. No more just wash and goes. Just I'm becoming a girl. I'm trying to, you know, take pride in my appearance. And oh my look, I'm gonna go outside. I'm really trying. I'm really trying. Really trying. All right, what me I look for now? Transition. So currently using these. I'm mixing right now. Can I just do one? I think I can just do one because y'all, it's cold. It's pretty cold outside. Let's go with 315. I don't feel like I'm that late yet. Y'all don't mind me. I'm looking in all different mirrors because the lighting in my room, I don't know. When it's the day, it's amazing. When it's night, it's horrible. I need to fix the bulbs. I need to invest. Even the other day I was saying to myself, like I need like a recording space, or I'm just gonna fix up my desk area and have like a spot, like a designated spot that I can just go to when I want to film. Like I have so many projects that I want to do for this place. I just need the time. So hopefully during like the Christmas break, which is coming up very soon, I will have time to start, because I've been here way too long for me to still feel like I just moved in. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. All right, now for my outfit, guys. I got this bag from Teddy Blake that you guys helped me pick last year. I feel so ashamed to even say that, but I'm being honest. You guys helped me pick it last year, and like, me not like, me wear the bag out, me wear the bag here, me wear the bag go, me wear the bag come, me wear the bag I wear the bag up, I wear the bag down, I wear the bag everywhere. I love the bag, and it's green, so I built my outfit around that. I did look for some like inspo, because I kind of knew what I wanted to wear, but like, I don't know, I'm a visual person. Like, I need to like see things to really be able to do it. Like, even like if I'm ordering, like, let's say for instance, like on Shein, like my tabs are literally like, especially like if I'm building an outfit, like my tabs are literally building the outfit. Like if I have a top and a bottom, like the top, the bottom, the accessories, like I have to visualize, like I have to see it to believe it. You can't sell me a dream, unfortunately. Like, it's so hard. Like, I have to literally see it, feel it, touch it, taste it, you know, to believe it. So yeah, I have to, like, if I have an idea in my head, like I literally have to like search it and see like ideas, and then like see if I have anything, or get everything together and then be like, yeah, this is it. So that's basically what I did. Like, I knew I wanted to kind of look, I wanted the street wear but still sexy type vibe, because y'all, I like being sexy. I can't help it. I like being sexy. I don't know, like the classiness in me, it's there, but I like being sexy. Like, I like being sexy, okay? I'm never ever again in my life I'm gonna be this sexy. So not saying that I can't be, but yeah, I like being sexy. Show my body, show my little curves that my God bless me with. God bless me with them, you know, so I might as well. Yeah, literally, you just need a little bit of me there, because you be wanting to act like you want to overpower everything for some reason. Should I have left it a little bit? It's going to contour a little bit in the meantime. I'm not do too much, you know, people, but as I say, my sideburns be in the way, like, baby. Y'all, now I remember. Speaking of remembering, let me know if this, like, I can't remember anything and it's kind of tripping me out. You guys know that my grandma had Alzheimer's, right? All right, my grandma had Alzheimer's. One of my aunties, I don't think she watches my YouTube channel, she has, like, she's starting Alzheimer's. Like, she doesn't remember anything. Like, if she sees me right now, she'll be like, oh my God, Zoe, I haven't seen you in so long. And then literally in 5 minutes later, she'll be like, Zoe, I haven't seen you in so long. And it's so scary, because like, just the other day you remembered everything, so how come all of a sudden you're not remembering anything? Like, and like for me, like, I feel like I have some points like in the day, like, where I'm just like, what was I doing? Or I'll literally leave here, like my room, and go, like, let's say like in the living room to like get something, and I have to stop because I literally have to stop because I'm like, what did I go to get again? Hold on, y'all, because I don't know why my AirPod turned on. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I will literally forget what I went to get, and I don't love that for me. It's kind of scary. But y'all, cherish, just cherish everything, life, the people you love, because time it's like non-existent. It's literally non-existent. And I feel like now, being an adult, I know how like people felt like when they used to see me like older, after seeing me like as a baby. And because I always used to be like, why everybody always want to say, oh my god, look how you get big. I remember when you were like that. And like some people would literally be like, yo, I can't believe you grew so big. Yo, when I see some people, like when I see even like my friends' kids, like if I see them after a while, I'm just like, bro, I remember you when you were like, wow, what are you doing? Like, who told you you could grow up? Like, who told you? I don't know, y'all. It's mad weird. It's mad weird. Mad weird. Even seeing like my baby cousins and stuff, I'm just like, weren't you just born? Like, weren't you just born? Yo, tell me, time? But yeah, it's scary. So when it's happening to me, when I be forgetting, see, and I get long-winded. Like I just be going like up and down like with what I have to say. I can't stay focused on one thing. Oh, forgot my nose. But yeah, it's kind of scary. I'm wondering if my little habit has anything to contribute to it. Alright guys, so let's recap Jamaica. Let's recap Jamaica. Because my mama called me the other day and said something to me, and it was so triggering to me. I was just like, lady, you must really not know who you gave birth to, because what are you telling me to do right now? Like, what are you telling me to do right now? Anyways, as you guys would probably see, because I'm pretty sure this video is going up after, or else I would not be recapping Jamaica now. But I don't know where I mentioned it, but I'm pretty sure I did. But as you guys would have seen, like there's a whole different vibe. And I have to laugh because up to this day, like when people, like, it's crazy because like when I stop people, or like when I see people and they're just like, how come you're not so and so or whatever, I'm just like, it is what it is. Like, it is what it is. Times, things, people change. Okay, so yeah, because I get a lot of messages about people, and I just feel like if you ain't seeing them, it's not by choice. Well, no, it is by choice. It's not just like, oh, we weren't able to link up. It's not by choice. I mean, it's by choice. Whose? I can't answer that for you. Well, I guess all the parties, actually. But yeah, I just wanted to clear that because I try to be as transparent as I can on here, but at the same time, I just feel like I don't really want all my business out on the internet. No offense. Although you guys do deserve to know some things when it's time. Y'all will know, but I'm pretty sure y'all are intelligent and can put 2 and 5 together and get 7, 8, 9, 10. So I don't really need to, you know. But yeah, it was so going back to Montego Bay was just so weird for me because it was so different. First of all, like, I'm not used to going back to Montego Bay. Like, I'm so used to Norman Manley International Airport now. Like, going to Montego Bay, I felt like a tourist. And that's crazy to me. Like I literally like had to like use GPS to like get to some places because like I'm just like, where is this again or whatever. But like for the most part, like I was good, especially because like where we stayed was near where I'm from, like Anchovy, where I was like where my born and grow. So we don't live there no more, but so I can say it now. But I mean, I feel like I have on here before. But yeah, where I was staying, which was in Liti, is literally Anchovy. Basically, you just drive up a little bit more and you're there. Anchovy. So it wasn't like foreign territory. It was a little bit because I still had to like figure out like where this place was, but once I got the hang of it, like he was just like, even the host was just like yeah, you found your way. And I was like, yeah. Like when I was talking to him, I was just like, I'm from, sorry, my camera stopped recording. I was telling him, I'm like, yeah, like I'm from down these ways. And Tajil's mom lived in Liti, so we always used to go over there. So even when I was getting the directions, I was like, oh my god, like I know over here. And then talking to like my uncle before like I went down, I was just like, where is this place? And he was like, oh, you know, yasa yasa yasa. And I was like, got it, totally got it, I so got it, yeah, got it. I knew exactly where I was going. So the fact that it was familiar territory, I love that. And surprisingly, like I'm not gonna tell no lie, like I was super nervous because I was just like, yo, I don't want to bump into anybody, because Long Hill is like not really the only way to get in town, but it's the most convenient way. So yeah, like I have to pass certain areas and I was liable to, but surprisingly I didn't. Shockingly, no one from that side of my family showed their like respect by like coming to any of the festivities that we had or anything like that. So I was kind of shocked, because even if it wasn't for me, like my mom, like the role that she's played in like a lot of like my family members like lives and stuff like that, like you would think that they would have shown their face. But as I said, like you over time you grow to really and truly like know people, their intents and all of that kind of stuff, and you just have to take it like for what it is. Like I feel like this whole trip, like I was like parenting my mom, and I was basically like trying to show her like a new way on how to look at life and be like, yo, like you can't really look for you in people. Like you just can't. You can't expect what you would do for other people to do for you. You can't. You just have to give them the opportunity to show themselves, and if they don't, just be like, okay, like this person won't, and just don't expect it. Like I feel like people put too much expectations on people, and then when it doesn't happen, you're disappointed, and ain't nobody got time for that. I ain't got time for it. So me stop put expectations and all those type of things, and hoping and wishing and praying. No, ain't nobody got time. If you do it, I'll be grateful. But if you don't, at least I can't say I'll be disappointed, because I never put my faith in that, you know? So yeah, I didn't see nobody from that side of my family. I was supposed to see Uncle John. It didn't work out. Him and his family ended up getting sick. So didn't get to see nobody, and like for that, I'm definitely not gonna say I was not disappointed. I was definitely disappointed. I was in my feelings, because I was just like, yo, like it's so crazy. I feel like when you go to Jamaica and you don't get to see anybody, it's like, what was the purpose of going? Like you put so much into going, and you make plans with people, and then it's like you don't have time. And when other people are coming, you have all this time. So make it make sense to me, baby. Make it make sense to me. But again, you just live and you learn. That's why when I do go to Jamaica, I don't kill up myself to go to nobody's house no more. If I can't afford an Airbnb or I can't afford to stay in a hotel, I'm not going. Like I will spend my money and go to an all-inclusive somewhere else, and call it a day. But like, as sad as it is to say, like I can't. And that's crazy to me, considering like where I'm coming from, like what my vlogs used to entail. Like it's crazy to me. But everything is just so different. Like everything is just so different, you guys. Like, again, as I said, you guys will see like a lot of people are missing. But yeah, it is what it is. But my mom the other day called me and she was just like, you need to make that call. And I'm like, excuse me? Why do people feel like kids have to like continuously kiss their parents' ass? I'm sorry, I'm not for it. Like, I'm not for it. Like, parents, grandparents, cousins, siblings, niece, nephew, godchildren in the mix too. Like, if you don't give me any type of respect, like especially as an adult, like, and I'm not disrespectful to you, or I'm not, you know what I mean, like disrespectful, like I feel like the only reason why you're like a parent or anybody should like malice like a child or like be upset with a child is if you try to commit like murder against me or something. Like you try to set up my life in some way. Like, what could a child do to a parent that would warrant them like not to want to, like, I don't know, I don't get it. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. Or like you could just like absolutely like just go on with life and not know like what. I don't even have a chick or a child, and I'm just like how can one do that? Like, how can you have human beings out there with your DNA and you don't know anything that's happening to them? Like you don't know if they're alive, if they're well, if they're sick, if they're dead. Like you don't know. How could you not know? Like, how do you sleep at night and not know? How do you get dressed every Sunday and go and preach to God and you are so disrespectful? Like, you're so disrespectful in so many ways. Like, I don't know. Or like, I don't know. Like, comment down below. Let me know if you guys know, because the math is not mathing. But let me know, because again, as I said, I personally don't know, and I couldn't do it. Like, I've gone through spells where like me and my mom, like, we don't speak or whatever, but like it's for valid reasons, because again, as I said, like, I'm protecting my peace. Like, as I got older, I'm protecting, like, if I have to continue to tell you how to deal with me and you just choose to deal with me how you want to, like, I'm learning though with her, because baby, like, she ain't changing at all. So I just gotta either deal with it or don't. Sometimes I don't. But I've just learned just like how to like tune it out. So it ain't tray bad, but baby, is it work? It's work. Like, it's work. Nobody prepared me for having to like parent my parents. Nobody prepared me for that. But it comes with getting older. Like, they get older and they start acting like they ain't got no sense, and you have to be the one now that's sensible and more mature. Have to start teaching them like what's right from wrong. Like, even in Jamaica, like, there was some situations that happened and I literally had to like sit my mom down. Like, even on the plane, like before the plane took off and went to Jamaica, I told her, I'm like, listen, whatever I say, you guys might think I'm joking, but I'm dead ass. Like, I had to be like, listen, whatever I say goes. Like, you need to listen to me and behave yourself. Like, I know I was not that bad. I know for a fact I was not that bad as a child. So, I don't understand, like, I don't know. I don't know. What else do I have to do? Apart from that, because baby, I could sit here and talk about parenting my parents all day long, but ain't nobody got time, because this video would be extremely long, and again, as I say, ain't nobody got time. But apart from that, like again, as I said, like I just it was like I wanted to come home. Like I literally wanted to come home. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced that, like where you've gone away and you wanted to come home. Like I wanted to come home. Like I was not having fun, even though it wasn't that kind of a trip. But and like even with that, like funerals, why do they have to be so complicated? Why do they have to be so complicated? Why is it that funerals like sometimes bring out the worst in people? Like why? I get tension is high. People are grieving. Maybe that's what it is, grief. Maybe that's exactly what it is. It's grief, and people just don't know how to handle it because baby, made it well welcome on my yard. It rained every day. Never going back to Jamaica in October ever. Rain every single day. People, you know that trend right now that's going around with when the water's so blue, and they're showing the water so blue, the one where the water's so brown, so brown, so brown. We didn't even get to do the rafting, and we were literally on the rafting walk. Like we were literally on the river where the rafting takes place. We didn't have to book the excursion. Like we could have walked there, like literally walked to the river and just said, yo, make me hop on a raft and pay the man and go on about business. Like we couldn't do it. Like the rafts were literally operating maybe when we got there, and then the next day I think my aunt came. Was it the next day that my aunt came? No, my aunt came on the 5th, and we wanted to go and do it with them, right? My cousin was coming, my aunt was coming. We wanted to do it with them, so we didn't do it, baby. By the time they came and we were like, all right, let's wait till like the festivities of the funeral is over with, so like we actually like have like free time or whatever. Free time? Where? Free time with who? Baby. There was no free time. We couldn't do. Every time I messaged the host, he was just like, the river is closed, the river is closed. And as I said, the water was so brown, so brown. Like with salt, full of salt, like Elsha. Wow. But yeah, I was happy I went. And y'all, driving in Jamaica, oh my god, it was a different, you know how normally like okay, like if we're in like the rural parts, like Joel would usually be the one to like drive, right? Like I'll just drive like in Montego Bay because, or like on the highway because like that's cool, you know? But I was the designated driver. I was the driver. I was responsible for me, my mom, Journey, Shamika, and my auntie, and my brother. 6 of us. I was responsible the whole way up there, down there, everywhere. And then as I said, like we were dealing with Long Hill. If you know, you know. That road is slippery, slick, all when it dry, like slippery and slick, like if you're not careful. The day that we had to go pick up my aunt from the airport, accidents, bus turnover with school picnic, stuck for hours. We're stuck on the hill. The one hill, we're just stuck on the hill. Like I'm so scared of going down Long Hill. Going up, I don't mind, but going down, always hated it. But I did it. Like I drove up and down Montego Bay. Like me drive go markets, everything. Like like I can honestly do it. Like I can do it. I was so proud of myself. I did so proud of myself. Like yeah, because that was a huge responsibility, and I was super nervous. Because I'm just like, okay, like I have so many people that I'm responsible for driving for. I never want to let nobody care, especially in Jamaica. I never want to let nobody care, and then they want to come beat me. What's me not have the money? I don't have it. So I was so glad. Hey, I said when me go pick up my cousin, I'm gonna give him the car. I said, look here, you take over now. You can drive me. Oh, but it was so tiring. Like. Because we were so like not really far, but the road was so bad where we were staying, so it just made everything like seem like a task. Like what would probably be like a 15-minute drive became 45 minutes because of the road, you guys. Like when I say it was just pothole. Pothole. I'm not talking about no simple pothole. You could have just probably like skip over on the next side. Good, no. The whole road full of potholes. So if you move to the left, pothole. Move to the right, pothole. You want to miggle it, pothole. Like you just have to sink. You just have to take your time and sink and go and sink and go till you reach the next one. And I had to do that every day, going, coming, going and coming. So, and as I say, it rain every single day. I'm afraid of the rain. Afraid of the rain on the hill. But what could you? What to do? What to do? I had to do it. So, what's the time? What's the time? See me, I chat. I'm not even up read time. Okay, 7:02. All right, I'm gonna put on a little bit of, just a little bit of, yeah, one green out. Suppose I'm coming up on stage. Suppose I'm coming up on stage. Let's do a little smoky. That's how I'm smoky. Let me know what me I do. So I'm gonna try fandango something. I look like somebody girl pit me. Honestly, I don't really have much to say about Jamaica. Like, again, as I said, I was ready to come to my yard. That says a lot, because normally I be wanting to stay. I don't want to come home. But yeah, I just wanted to get my bucket and my patties. And as I said, come to my yard. And that's exactly what I did. I don't know. I don't see it changing and being anything that it was before, because there's just been so many changes and so much time has passed. And I just feel like if you can't take accountability for what you're saying, like one thing with me, I'm gonna say whatever it is that I say. I might say rude. I can accept that. I can say stuff with a really mean tone sometimes, but like if I'm mad, I'm mad. Nobody's gonna talk to you polite when you're mad. That's just life, right? I don't know. I just feel like there's certain things that as a parent you can't say to your child and expect for them to forget it so easily. And like, y'all, as I said, there's just so much. It's just a rabbit hole. It would be a rabbit hole, and I just don't feel like I need to put all of that out there. But Jamaica is so different for me now. I don't look forward to going back unless I'm probably going on a resort. And as I said, it was so weird leaving out here and going there and not going to Portmore. Like, Portmore is like literally became home for me. In all reality, it literally became home for me. So yeah, there's that. And I don't want anybody to say, oh, but life is short. Yes, it is. Everybody knows this. So yeah, parents need to value their children as well. Yeah, you don't dash with all for no. Never. And you know what's so crazy? It's like people will do things to you, and just because you're a child, they expect that you're supposed to like just take it and accept it and deal with it and suck it up. I'm not that one. I'm not that one. I will give you all of the respect that you deserve as long as I'm getting it. But if I feel again some type of way, I'm always gonna be the one to verbalize it. I'm gonna say how I feel. I'm gonna say it with my friggin' chest, because I don't care who you are. You're not hurting my feelings. You ain't hurting my feelings. I will stay in my own little world. I love it here. Stay to myself. I'm not disturb nobody. I'm not bother nobody. Yeah. I threw the party of the century. People came home and no one left sober, and it was all for you. It was all for you. That's the only song I know. I mean, I'm gonna sing it with my chest. Why? I heard the show was really good though. So from like all the other cities and stuff. So super excited. Right, lashes. Y'all, I'm not doing my lashes. I'm not doing my nails. Well, I'm not doing my nails because they're all broke. So that's the reason why I'm not doing it. I'm giving it a break, but I'm also trying to save, and I'm trying to start now before the new year so that I'm already in the groove of things. So yeah, so I'm not doing my eyelashes and I'm not doing my nails until my birthday. But nah, do New Year's, Jesus, but nah, do it. I will get like a like shellac on my thing, but I'm not putting on any fake nothing. I'm not doing it. Like me, I save my kind them. Me, I really try to save my kind them. Plus my birthday's coming up and I already have an idea as to what I want to do, and I know me I'm gonna need a little change for that. So yeah, I'm saving my money. Me, I get the whole really and truly. I'm tired for people in my ears every day about it. So really and truly, I want some little. I want to look at my account and see, say, yeah, girl. You know? I want to surprise my friend one day and any one of them, I go look for her. Or like if I want to surprise, suppose I want to just go look for Shade one day. Cause baby, the last time I went to Philly, those ticket prices, wow. But like, yeah, I suppose, you know. See, oh God, I left my other lip gloss at work. All right, guys, I have 2 outfits I have to choose from. I don't know if I said the number that I had to choose from, but I have 2 outfits that I have to choose from. Watch me, I do lips, and I just said I was looking for my. Just said I'm looking for my glue. See if you feel the edge no good, man. Okay, I'm just cute. Let me fling my lash them. Yo, I don't remember where. I need to figure out. Oh, this is Milani. This is my favorite gloss. My favorite gloss in the whole wide world. Like this, baby. Let me find my my eyelash glue. I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the lashes I'm gonna wear. I miss my lashes. Like, I just love having my lashes done. Like, okay, mine hid well underneath. Perfect. All right, let me put on the other one. I'll be right back. So guys, the face is beat. Yeah, gonna get ready for the Uber call, so let me show you the outfit them. All right guys, so that's outfit number 1. This top, you know, you tie it and it flies open with some pleather pants, but these ones are straight foot. And then I have this turtleneck from a haul that I did last year that you guys would have seen in my Thanksgiving vlog if you guys watched it, with these pleather like skinny pants. So that's the options. Okay, let me show you guys the shoes before I get to the main attraction. These are the shoes. Yeah, we're building monochromatic except for the pants, but yeah, these are the shoes. Love them. Yeah, cute. Yeah, okay. And then what we were building the outfit around, hold on, un momento por favor. So this is the bag that has literally stolen my heart, Teddy. So Teddy Blake, New York. Yeah, designer handbag made in Italy, luxury leather, luxury. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion choice, baby. My first dust bag come from Teddy Blake, you know, Teddy Blake. Oh my God. The bag is so pretty. Y'all, my first dust. Okay, let's open her. Ah, you guys, she's so beautiful. I freaking love. All right, I want to get to your shine now. I freaking put her on a platform so I can't see. Want to see the bag? Do you guys see the bag? Like, it's crocodile embossed Teddy Blake and goats. I should make sure I have nothing in there, you know. See, I'm a transfer in there for sure to say me use the bag. Yeah, I love. There's my other battery. Wow, God is good. I've been looking for it. Okay, yeah. But yeah, you guys, love the bag. You guys know I'm a gold girly, so the gold, it can wear body way or as a handbag, as a real dolly, and this is literally the way that I normally like wear. I just love this freaking bag. Like, it's so perfect. The size, perfect. Like, it fits things like amazing. I'm super happy. Thank you, Teddy Blake, for my bag, and thank you for sponsoring this video. You guys, I don't know if I still have a code, but if I do, it will be in the description box below. But yeah, make we put on the clothes and come back. Yeah, all right. Y'all, I'm so pissed. I'm so mad. My camera just dropped and everything just deleted. I'm not re-record it, honest to God. But anyways, had to go with these pants because these ones, the zipper boss, the zipper not zip. The zip is not zipping, yeah? So I couldn't go with that. I never like how the top here look, so I never bother with that. I love how this look. I love how this sit down. Yeah. Yeah. With my teddy. I did it all for you. I did it all for you. I did it all for my Teddy Blake bag. Yeah, yeah. And then this is the jacket we decided on. You guys did decide on it, you know. The camera just dropped and deleted it. So, I would never see it, but you guys did decide on this. So, this is what we're doing. So, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I'll go to my ear. Be right back. Almost there. Thank you guys for watching. Baby, pray for me. Watch this and all my videos so that I can save up enough money and I can get a new camera, because this is gonna make me stop vlogging. I can't bother. Anyways, thanks again to Teddy Blake for sending me this bag. I'm so sorry that this video took so long, but baby, look, I'm telling you, like, the fits have just been fitting with this. Like, this bag, y'all, as I said, I've been using this bag for over a year. It looks brand new. Like, there's no bends in it, no, baby. Anyways, before I make the people late, I'm gone. I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. Shop Teddy Blake down below, coupon code, if there is one, in the comments, in the description box. If not, sorry, buy it anyways. See, love you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys again in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want that to be. Okay, yeah, anyways, bye.